Hi guys, we at this property. It's duplex. It's in a zip code 32206. Really like a few minutes from the port, 7 minutes from the Jaguar Stadium, so the area is really booming. This property my investor got with idea to buy and hold. So this is 2 units, 2 bedroom, 1 bath each. It's not big, it's like 700 square foot each, but big advantage of this property that this property have a large lot. This property is sitting in a 0.3 acres. So we have big piece of land on the left side and big piece of land on the right side. So potentially this lot could be divided and it's zoned as a multifamily. So you can build more properties or you can just resell it with a profit. Now talking about the numbers. Investor price was roughly 130,000 and my estimation for rehab was 60K. I would say 60K. The property already have 2016 roof. So I didn't budget for this, but because it's a duplex, we really need 2 kitchens, 2 AC, 2 water heater. Everything is like a double. That's why I budget a little bit more, even if the property is not that big. So here's a way inside of that duplex. This is one of the units. Second one is the same one. Let's talk about the numbers first. Investor price was 130,000 on it. And I would say my investor got it with a prospective buy and hold. If you look at the rough rental estimation, it's between 8 and 900, but I'll tell you this, Section 8 is paying so much better. So this project is finished already and it's already rented. 1 unit, 1,100, another one for 960. Now, let's talk about rehab, and I have a contractor, Rocibe, here, whose team did this project from the start to the finish. So I would like to ask a few questions. The first one, was it challenging for your team to do this project? How hard was it for you?
Well, we're so used to projects like this, so to me it's not a challenge, but we do encounter little problems here and there, which I don't call them challenges, I'm just calling problems that we solve. So when we came in, this duplex were completely destroyed, the ceiling was falling apart, so we were trying to salvage as much as we could, but we had to replace the ceiling from the living room and the kitchen because it was completely destroyed. So when we opened everything, we find out that there was no insulation on the walls, so that was going to be a little hard for you to keep this place cool or warm in the winter and the summer. So we went ahead and put the insulation in the walls and all that. So that was the little challenge, and then I also, restructure the whole kitchen since they had the water heater in here, right in the middle, and this is a small kitchen, so we wanted to make it practical. Have your fridge and also have an area for them to have a washer and dryer. So we were able to move the water heater to the back, which we can show later. And that gave us a lot of space where we opened it up, made it bigger, and made a little kitchen area where people can sit on the side while people are cooking, or they can even watch on the TV when they're cooking. So make it a little bit more practical.
I know these 2 units, they are identical.
Yeah,
so as soon as you did one, yes, another one already kind of easy to do, right?
The first one took a little longer. It took us a month and a half to do this project. My goal was to do it in a month. But like I say, we encountered little problems here and there that after we finished everything, we were all completely done. We had a problem with electrical, so we had to find where the problem was. So I had to open holes in the ceiling to fix it, but we were able to fix it. So that was, that's the thing that comes with the project.